Today is April 20th. Well, I'm sorry, April the 10th, 2020. Got a few people out moving around today. Heading out on a bike ride. Started at 11:54 a.m. We're going to go up to FM 1485, New Caney, and then back to Kingwood. Temperature was not quite 71 degrees at the start. On your left. All of a sudden we have a bunch of bikers on that little short course in the Greenbelt, and some walkers to throw in too. Wind's a little strong earlier, gusts up in the 20s, wind out of the northeast. I'm not sure if that's still the case as I ride north. I'm riding the Canyon Endurace CF SLX bike today. I moved the microphone to a little different position. See how that does. Shielded it a little bit from the wind. I'll watch the battery a little closer today too. Snuck up on me behind the trees there. I'm riding north on Woodland Hills Drive. Time is 12 minutes after 12. I'm at 3.9 miles biked so far. Average speed is 12.6 miles an hour. That northeast wind is still got some strength to it. I'm gonna be riding in that all the way to FM 1485, it looks like. Coming back though, I might actually get a tailwind. I'm in Wood Ridge Forest. There's people out walking. Time is 22 minutes after 12. 6.2 miles. Bike so far. Average speed is 13.0 miles per hour. Riding time is 28 minutes 45 seconds. Crossing the railroad tracks. This is Loop 494. US 59 frontage road headed to FM 1314. Wildflowers continue to bloom. And the wind is stronger. I ride into this headwind. Making the U-turn underneath US 59, McCaney Creek. Time is 2 minutes after 1, 13.9 miles traveled so far. Average speed is 13.5 miles an hour. Not bad considering the headwind I was going into. This U-turn underneath should make that headwind into a kind of a tailwind at least. I'm riding south on Valley Range Parkway. Going to turn left onto Azalea Boulevard. This will take me to US 59 frontage road. Time is 20 minutes after 1. Distance road so far is 18.6 miles. Average speeds 14.1 miles an hour. Riding time is 1 hour 19 minutes 27 seconds. Riding west through Auburn Trail from Frontage Road. Nice tailwind has helped me get here pretty quickly. Average speed's 14.3 miles an hour. Time is 1 o'clock 31 minutes. Distance traveled 21.2 miles. Riding time's 1 hour 29 minutes. No seconds. Riding south on Rock Creek and Oakhurst. Time is 1:41, 23.6 miles. Road. Average speed is 14.4 miles an hour. 1 hour 39 minutes and 1 second riding time. And we're going into the cobbles here. Those look good for cars, but they're a killer for a bike. Back in Kingwood, time is 1:57, 27.5 miles. Average speed is 14.3 miles an hour. Riding time is 1 hour 55 minutes 25 seconds. This is along Kingwood Drive, riding east. Still riding along Kingwood Drive. Got a crowd there. We're on Riverlawn Drive, Bear Branch Village in Kingwood. Less than 2 miles to the end of the ride. I'm now riding east on Tree Lane, Bear Branch Village. The chime there meant that I hit 30 miles in the ride. Got about 1 mile left to go. Time is 2:11.